guys, thank you so much for clicking my channel. My name is Ciarra Lashaune, and today I am going to be doing a lipstick review. I just dropped it. Alright, I'm back. Okay, anyways, I'm going to be doing a lipstick review for my Kylie lipstick. I have a Kylie lipstick, and the name of this lipstick is Basic, okay? So this is what I'm going to be doing today. Now, I'm not just going to be putting on lipstick. That's obviously what I'm going to be doing. But I'm not just going to put on lipstick. I'm going to put on lipstick. You're going to see the color, what it looks like, and then I'll tell you some different outfits that I like to wear this color with. Also, my personal review. First of all, this lipstick smells really good. I don't know if it's just this specific one, but it smells like has like a buttery smell. Okay guys, so this is my lipstick. As you can see, this is a little bit darker. It's a darker lipstick. It's like a dark brownish color. This is what it looks like in its actual container. It's kind of like a nudish color, but it's on the darker sides of nudes, guys. My boyfriend bought me this because he loves when I wear dark lipstick for whatever reason, and so we tried it out and we love it too. The one thing that I want to say about this color though is when I was trying it on at the store, which the only place where you can buy this besides Kylie's website, this is a Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick, by the way. Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and the only place that we could buy this from is either Ulta Beauty or on her website, Kylie Jenner's website, okay? And I'll put that in the description below. But that's where I could buy this lipstick from. That's where you can. It's not her products aren't really sold anywhere else besides Ulta and her website. My boyfriend loved this lipstick because he likes to see me in dark colors. So I don't know about y'all, but if you love yourself in dark colors, this is a very safe color to do. One thing I want to say is when I went to go try this on at Ulta, I was, you know, using the sample, of course. And one thing I noticed is that I would get like these white lines by my lips, and I didn't understand what it was, and I don't think it's doing it right now. But it was one of those problems that I was having where it would like form white lines in the creases of my lips, and we believed it could have been the lip gloss lipstick. Sometimes it does still happen, but not often. And so I just want to say that has been my experience. You might not experience that or anything like that, so that's obviously just my experience, but I did want to make sure that that was known, that that was something that I had experienced. But nonetheless, I still love it. I just know that sometimes I have to check and make sure the creases aren't changing colors in between my lips, and that could cause you to be a little self-conscious. But regardless of the fact, it's still cute. I love it. I wore MAC, but other than MAC, everything else I have is from the beauty supply store. So Kylie has actually been one of those lipsticks that has put me out of my comfort zone, and having using the Kylie instead of beauty supply store. And I actually really love Kylie. I don't see why people give her a hard time. Her products are good. So that's my experience. Her products are good. What I suggest you wear this color with though, I suggest you wear it with your darker colors. I suggest you wear it when you're wearing darker shoes. My boyfriend has, you know, if I'm wearing white sneakers, obviously I don't need to be wearing this lipstick, you know what I mean? But if you have some brown boots, this looks really, really good with brown boots. It looks really good with, you know, the darker shoes, darker jeans, just your darker outfits, I'll say. So, but I would say stick to the creams, the darker tans, darker shades of nudes, all right, darker browns. So that's my review. I pray that this helps you out. I hope that you are able to feel confident when you wear your new Kylie lipstick, y'all. This is the box that it came in. Mine is a little broken because I've had it for a minute, but I definitely saved it just for this moment so that I can tell you about it. So yes, and this is the color Basic. And I hope that this review helps you out to know what it might look like on you, and so you can know what the color would give off. As always, I love you. God loves you even more. Thank you for clicking my channel.